Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are fine. Our lecture today is Elements of Short Story in the Snob. Well, elements of short story in the Snob are theme, characters, setting, point of view, tone, and style. First of all, we have the theme of this short story. So, what is the theme of this Snob? What is the main idea of this short story? Actually, the theme of this snob can be put into the following points. Number one, man must not be judged by his appearance, but by his manners, whether they are good or bad. Like Mr. Harcourt, the father of John Harcourt, with his shabby clothes. These shabby clothes, however, do not necessarily make him a bad person. So, man should not be judged by his appearance in the first place. Number two, one should not behave snobbishly towards his parents, no matter whoever they are, like John Harker, and his behavior towards his father when he met him at the bookstore, and then he ignored him because of his shabby clothes, in order not to be embarrassed in front of his girlfriend. Great. Number three, people's behaviors are often determined by their hidden conflicts. Again, like John Harcourt's conflict, when he felt shameful after he had failed to his father, and then a humiliation sickened him as he waited and did nothing. At the same time, he felt with a sharp hostility toward the praise because of his conflict. And this sharp hostility made him sullen and silent. He accused Gray of being a snob, while he was the one who was a snob. Now, the second element is characters. In this lab, there are three main characters: John Harker, Grace, and his father. On the other hand, there are also five minor characters, who are Grace's parents, John's mother, John's sister, and the clerk in the bookstore. Next lecture, however, characters will be explained in details. Moving on to setting. The third element is setting, time and place. In this novel, the events partly took place at the book calendar in the department store and on one hot afternoon, and in the mind of John Hawkins, the protagonist. So the place, we have two places actually: the book calendar in the department store and in the mind of John Harcourt. Time is one hot afternoon. The fourth element is point of view. In this novel, the author himself tells the story by presenting the characters, plot, and setting. Here, third person narrator is used. That is to say, she or he. Now, the last elements, tone and style, in this short story are as follows. Regarding to the tone of the story. As a matter of fact, in this short story, we have bitterness and anger. John Harcourt was so angry and felt with bitterness because of his behavior towards his father, because of his conflict, because of being snob towards his father. Regarding to style, in this short story, the writer used a rather difficult and complicated language. That was the end of our lecture today. For further reading, please refer to this reference. Next lecture, we will discuss characters in this novel. Thank you very much for your time and good luck